Welcome to the intersection of technology, cybersecurity, and society. Welcome to ITSP Magazine. Knowledge is power, now more than ever.
This is Steve Luczynski. I'm coming to you live on scene with WTAV, the Aerospace Village. I had to do that for Sean and Marco and as the roving reporter out here. So thanks to you guys both again for hosting us on ITSP. I am Steve Luczynski. I'm here with the Aerospace Village here at RSA. We're the Aerospace Sandbox. And just wanted to say thank you for all the folks who've come by all week. We're still here throughout the day. I'm doing a talk later on here on the Sandbox stage, but it's been an awesome week. Typical RSA, crazy busy, lots going on, but the Sandbox is the happy, somewhat quiet, certainly quieter than the expo floor, so anybody that wants to come up and see what we're doing, just a variety of quick few things here in the village, in our Sandbox, I should say. We've got our partners Boeing. They've been with here all 4 years that we've been coming to RSA. This crazy contraption, try your hand to see if you can throw an airplane through it. We've got a distance contest and accuracy going, but basically these folks, the technical smart people in their cabin and equipment and product security team, what it takes to continuously ensure aircraft are safe and cyber secure. And they're happy to talk about the work that they do and some students coming in to visit today. Another longtime friend of ours, all 4 years we've been here, pen test partners, showing off a simulator, fun time with an Xbox, come give it a try, but also talking to you about the work they do with looking for vulnerabilities in electronic flight bags, how that affects what a pilot's doing and the impacts on performance and why that's so critical to make sure they're secure, keeping things safe, of course. Over here, for our first year, we've got CT Cube. First year here at RSA with us, but not first year as a partner with the Village. But bringing them in, they've got a great VR setup here, showing with a drone. We're not actually flying it around here, sorry to say, but demonstrating how to build and design security in from the start. So primarily targeted towards engineers, just to get them to understand and appreciate adding security later, not a good thing, but building it in early on, what it takes to do that. And again, a lot of great expertise from these folks. And then finally over here, Intelligenesis. They are, again, another partner that's our second year back with us here in the Village. And this demonstration, if you see, that's a runway environment at an airport. And what they're doing is they're using runway lighting systems and other airport industrial control systems. And they're talking about the importance of security, the effects of when that's not happening. And again, tons of expertise if you want to come by and talk to these guys and learn more about what they're doing. So we also have Cal Poly's here, Henry, one of our great volunteers, representing with, I forgot, well, I was standing right behind it, the CubeSat that he brought in here. Say hey, Henry, the man on the street. What do you think about that weather?
Oh, man, beautiful.
So
having a good time looking at the orbitology of the world around here and enjoying the Aerospace Village as usual. And go Cal Poly, the CubeSat we brought today was really cool. I don't know if you can see it behind me, but super fun. So thank you.
Awesome. And with that, we will sign off. Thanks again. Hope to see you all here.
Cheers.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation. If you learned something new and this story made you think, then share ITSP Magazine with your friends, family, and colleagues. If you represent a company and wish to associate your brand with our conversations, sponsor one or more of our columns. We hope you will come back for more stories and follow us on our journey. You can always find us at the intersection of technology, cybersecurity, and society.